Look at the reflections here. It's flawless. The surface finish looks incredible.
Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how Tesla cars are made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
Welcome to the Gigafactory. The speed at which we're integrating materials like aluminum coils is incredible.
Our competitors.
Our commitment to vertical integration means we oversee every step, from raw material intake to the finished vehicle. Using these handheld LED scanners, we meticulously inspect every metal alloy for purity and structural integrity.
We rely on the precision of these machines. The giant stamping machines slam aluminum sheets with incredible force.
Tesla's battery cells are engineered with extreme precision.
Holding steady at 0.05 millimeters. This batch looks good so far.
Agreed. No surface anomalies detected on this side either.
Every weld is positioned with sub-millimeter accuracy. Alignment check complete on the front quarter. Tolerances confirmed. Looks good. Surface feels smooth. Tapping confirms the coat is even.
Look at the reflections here. It's flawless. The surface finish looks incredible.
It's flawless, exactly what the client wanted.
We're seeing peak oscillation on the front mount.
Data confirms structural integrity is stable.
Only after passing every test is it ready for customers.
Check the adhesion around this curve right here.
Yeah. Running a scan now.
Looks within tolerance.
Implement the new parameters across the assembly line.
Confirmed. The adjustments show a significant increase in speed and efficiency.
The facility operates using renewable energy systems to minimize environmental impact.
Activate the augmented overlay to visualize the arm's path.
Confirmed. The green trajectory indicates a safe operational zone.
Movement trajectory locked. Proceeding to target zone.
Data acquisition looks good. Speed holding steady.
Purpose. When dealing with advanced manufacturing, even the slightest deviation can compromise the entire system.
All right, initiating the software update test sequence. We're looking for stability improvements in the high-speed cornering scenarios.
And that's how Tesla cars are made, from raw materials to the open road. Hope you enjoyed the tour.
Subscribe for more factory tours and process documentaries.